Hi cuties! Today I will teach you how to create a paper lavender. You need a paper, two hands and a little patience. Take a paper strip and fold it like I'm doing. Then make a straight line on one side using a pencil. It will give you an idea how far you shouldn't cut. Just trust me, you won't mess up like this. Now follow my lead and fold it in half and then another until you get it like mine. Now make equal space lines all over this piece. Make sure the line you drew before isn't being destroyed by you. 'Cause who are we kidding? You destroy everything you touch, you clumsy ass. These lines are our guides. Now we will follow these to cut this piece of paper. Don't get too excited and cut the line we made before to leave a space. Now we'll take another strip of paper. We're going to make it stem, so you can decide your color. Just keep twisting it around like I'm doing until you get a rod-like shape. And then we'll secure its ends by using a liquid glue. You're doing good. Now we'll cut the edges slightly to get rid of those sharp and ugly edges to get rounded ones. Now it's time to secure our petals of lavender. Open up the piece you made before, and then fold it opposite ways to get those fluffy petals. And secure it with glue, just like I'm doing. Now it's time to stick this on the stem. This is the final step. Do it properly. And voila, we have now a beautiful paper lavender. They're so pretty just like you. Bye.